Hello guys, welcome to iTech Hub YouTube channel. So guys, today I give you some tips and tricks about iOS 14 updates. Lot of iPhone and iPad user report to how to customize app icon in your iPhone and iPad after iOS 14 updates. So guys, how to change app icon in your iPhone and iPad? I give you some tips and tricks about that. So first of all, open shortcuts. Then you can see also right corner plus icon, so tap on plus icon in your iPhone and iPad. Then you can see add actions in your iPhone and iPad, so tap on add actions. Then you can see also top corner search bar. In search bar, search open apps. Then you can see also open apps, so tap on open apps in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, tap on open app. After you can see choose the app, so which one customize app icon in your iPhone and iPad. Tap on three dots in your iPhone screens and iPad screens. Then you can see also shortcut name in your iPhone and iPad. So which one customize app name in your iPhone, so please enter your customize app names. Enter customize name. After you can see also right corner done, so tap on done. Then again open three dots and you can see also add to home screens, so tap on add to home screens. So guys, you can see also your app logo. If you change your app logo in your iPhone screens, so please tap on logo, then choose photos, then select any one photos. Select any one photo. After you can see bottom choose button, so tap on choose, then done. Then you can see also edit to home screens, then come back in your iPhone screens. Then you can see also shortcut app in your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and send